So relations really help us create a shape or a regular thing to our sketch. For example, we have these arbitrary lines. Let's say they are here over there, and we want to make a rectangle out of them. So what do we do? Now these two becomes collinear, for example, here, and then we don't know what to do. So what would we do is that when we click it, it shows different kind of options that we can have. For example, we can make it horizontal or vertical. And if we select two, then we can have different options for them. For example, do I want to make these two perpendicular or parallel? So let's say what happens when I do this. Now they both become superimposed on top of each other. I don't want to do that, and I want to make them perpendicular, and I want to make these two as parallel, and as one, and these two as well. Now I do have a rectangle, but I want to fix it as well, this point somewhere. Now when I drag it to the origin, it becomes fixed. It shows me that it can be fixed. Or for example, let me select this point, and then I would hold control, and then I would select this point. Now I can add any relationship between these two. So I want to add the coincident one, and then I want to select this one, and I can either make it vertical or horizontal. Either way it can work, but I cannot make it both vertical and horizontal. It will give me an error. So if we want to see all of the relationships, then we would click here, and then we can see all in this sketch. Now we can see only the one that are problematic or not solving, or anyone else like locked, broken, whatever else. So if I want to see all of these, then I would select all in this sketch, and then I would be able to see. Now we want to delete all of these, and want to delete this thing as well, and we would create a polygon with 12 sides. And now it has created a lot of these automatic relationships, and we want to see how many they are there. So we have to click here and see that all relationships in this sketch are three. So we have a line that is tangent to this circle, a point, a center point for the circle that is coincident at the origin, and different lines that are patterned. Now we want to do the same thing with the rectangle or a standard rectangle. So let's do this one, 2 and 3. And as we can already see that there are these ribbons that are showing that these two lines are parallel and these two lines are perpendicular. Or we can select these two and then see here that they are having a perpendicular relationship. And we can create this horizontal line, and as you have already noticed that I deleted the perpendicular relationship over here. Now let's try and create a perpendicular relationship on the opposite side. Now it is as effective as it was over here, and we can try to make this line at some arbitrary angle, but we cannot. And this is because this line is perpendicular to this line, and these two lines are parallel anyway, so whatever comes here is gonna be a straight line anyway. So I hope you enjoyed it. Have a very good day and happy learning.